Hey, my name is Jim Zaspel, full-time real estate investor here in the greater Philadelphia area, and I've got a question for you. Have you ever wanted to look to flip houses but didn't know how or how to get started or where to get the money? Well, guess what? If I can do this business, you can do this business. I'm a dead broke landscaper turned millionaire real estate investor, and I want to help you do the exact same thing if that's what you want to do. So I've got a really cool invitation for you. This and the date and time shown on your screen, and at the location shown on your screen, I'm going to buy you lunch, and I'm going to spend 2 hours teaching you a lot of really cool stuff about this business so that you can take that knowledge and go out and implement it in your business. So my question for you is this. Do you want to learn how to flip houses for maybe an extra side income, or maybe you want to fire your boss and go out there and make an extra couple, $200-300 grand a year part-time? I don't know what your goal is, but no matter where in that range you fall, I can help you do that. I'm going to help you do that when you show up to this special one-time only lunch meeting at the date and time and location shown on your screen. Go ahead and register now, and you are going to be blown away. I cannot wait to see you there. Go ahead and register now.